Okay, we've got two displays now. Got this one I'm using, as you suggested, a power supply that's like 5 volts and 3.3 volts. It's using this LGT, which is the fast model we're after. Same display on both of them. I'm taking, the only thing I'm using a 3.34 here is for the LED. I don't think it likes 5 volts. The rest of it, the 5 volt input on the here is still going through a 5 volt reg on the board, so it's still 5 volt input on this display. The displays are interchangeable. It doesn't make any difference. And this one is this is your old-fashioned, I know you can see it. It's the one that needs the logic converter, but it's pretty stable. You can wave the board around, the display can wobble a bit, and it doesn't seem to crash. Occasionally it'll crash. It might go, the screen will go black instead of blue for something, but it won't stop the program working. It's just like a glitch in it because it's moved some part of these boards. You know what I mean? And this works nice. I don't think you can see it, but it actually puts the dots where you want them to, like, you know what I mean? It's see, it's actually putting the dots very close. It's going to be nice to map this one out, you know? So, try this one. It's exactly the same code, except I've changed the headers. So it's not going to say Mega 3 to 8p, it's going to be LGT X 3p, whatever, you know, it's going to be like this one. And apart from that, it's exactly the same code. I haven't changed the calibrations or anything. I've used the ones that's suggested in both programs. Now the other one works great, you've just seen it. This one is totally, I don't know. If I tap here, it's doing something, it's not putting the dots where you want them to. It's, I don't know what's happening with it. It's just putting the dots. You know, and it's how quick you touch the screen. If you keep your finger on it, you get a daft result. Otherwise, you just tap it and so you get extra change. Yeah, see? It's a bit, I don't know. I don't know if you've actually tried the demo. This is the one that comes with an RC27. I think that's, yeah, the last one with all the fixes on it. It's a demo in there. It's I think it's, sure it's 328. I'm not sure, but I don't think I've changed it. And is there anything else I wanted to mention? Yeah, it might be the fact that it uses set up for ILA 9341 GLCD. And yet it doesn't use IL9341 stroke white or any colour like that. It uses TFT navy or TFT white. I don't know what that's about. Anyway, it's more stable. I mean, I can unplug the power supply. It's a bit hard with one hand. Let's see if I can do it. That's gone. If I plug it back in, if I can get it to plug it back in, there you go. Give it a second. Yep, it's come up. It's booted fine. The other thing I can do with this, using, like I say, an external power supply rather than run it off the USB lead, which I did before, is, hang on, where is it? I gotta look for this now. Little button. You press reset, and it resets. Now before, instead of using this power supply, and using a USB lead to power it, I was finding I have to plug it in, plug it out, plug it in, plug it out, plug it in, plug it, just to get it to start up the program. And it was very, how can I put it, temperamental. Like you just have to touch the screen and oops, some part of the circuit must have moved. I don't know. Much more stable if you're using off like I say, a power supply, you know, like one of these little things. Anyway. That's what I've done so far.